Welcome back. This is Will Brooks, and I'm excited to make my first video using my new MacBook Air, which, by the way, I still love. Everything is running so quickly and smoothly, it's like a dream come true. Having said that, it is a new machine, so it takes some getting used to. Like the magic keyboard, the commands, the layout, and all that good stuff. That's all a work in progress, but one thing I couldn't wait to do was to set up and start using the, drum roll please, Visual Studio Code! So that's what I'm going to share with you today. This is a historic moment for me, ladies and gentlemen. I finally get to use this editor. So without further ado, let's set this bad boy up. This is my new MacBook Air, and we are going to download Visual Studio Code. I've been looking forward to using Visual Studio Code for a long time. I had an iPad and I couldn't use it on that. So now I can, since I have the MacBook Air. So, okay, so we're going to go to Visual Studio Code, and then since this is a Mac, it's just going to give me the option for the download the Mac version. I'm going to click on that right there. And then, let's see, do you want to allow downloads on? Yes, allow. There we go. So it's going to go down here to my downloads, and we've got to wait a second while it's downloading. It's probably going to take a little bit. Okay, it looks like it has downloaded. Let's open that up. There we go. Visual Studio Code is an app downloaded from the internet. You sure you want to open? Open. Let's open. Oh, wow. Okay. Get started. Choose the look you want. I'm going to go with the regular look. There's lots of different themes you can do. But this looks fantastic. Oh, my goodness. There's a get started here. There's like 4 different things. This is where you can download the extensions, which I'm going to do very soon. All right. I'm going to stay with the dark theme here. I'm going to go with that. And then I am going to go to the extensions. And the first extension, I want to search. See all these extensions they have? It's incredible. I mean, this Python one has 46.9 million downloads. Oh my goodness. But I don't want to do that. I want HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But the first thing I want to do is type in live server, because I don't want to have to keep saving it and updating it to see what my code looks like. Live server will do that for me. It will do an automatic update every time. So it says live servers right there, and I'm going to hit install right at the top here, install. And it's installing live server as we speak. Okay, next one I want to do is I want to go to one called Prettier, because it actually helps make your code, when you save it, it'll make your code look much better. It'll like format it. And I can show you what that looks like afterward, but it's going to be Prettier, and it should be this one right here at the top. Code formatter. Okay, that's a must. Okay, great. And then the last one I want to do, at least for now, these are the 3 musts, is going to be called auto tag rename. Auto tag rename. Basically, it's what it sounds like what it does. It auto tags, it renames what when you close the tag, it'll rename the back tag as well. So auto tag rename, and I'll show you more what these do once I have them installed, and you'll be able to see. So auto tag rename, auto rename tag right there. Okay, let's install. Auto rename tag, actually, it's called. And that is installed. Perfect. Now I'm going to go down to my Finder right here, open that up, go to downloads, and I want to put Visual Code right here. I want to drag that into my application folder right there, and then I've got 2 of them in there. Don't need 2 of them, but right there, and that's where you want to put them in right there. So then we can open them up. So every time I'm done here, I can close this, and I go to Launchpad, and then on the Launchpad, it is right there, Visual Studio Code. Perfect. Okay, the next thing I want to show you on here, not too much more, is if we go to the left side here and click on the extensions. If I go to right here, if you can see my mouse here, and click on installed, it'll show you the extensions that you've installed. So I've got auto rename tag, live server, and Prettier code formatter. So you can see what you have. Then I can just hide that right there. They even have recommended ones too as well. But in any case, you can see the ones you have installed. You can uninstall them if you find that they're not helpful as well. So I am good to go now with VS Code and can start coding again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to creating more videos using this text editor. Let me know in the comments below what extensions you use and you like. Thanks again. Goodbye.